Today, we're going to make a heartwarming matzo ball soup, perfect for any occasion. Prepare the necessary ingredients. Begin by mixing flour and egg yolks. Add salt and a dash of olive oil. Stir until the mixture is well combined. Form the dough into small balls. Place these in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes to firm up. Place a saucepan filled with broth on the stove and bring it to a boil. Add chicken thighs and let them simmer on low heat for 20 to 30 minutes. Chop up some onions, carrot, celery, and parsley. These fresh ingredients will add a burst of color and nutrition to our soup. It's time to add the onion, carrot, celery, and a clove of garlic into the pot. Let these cook for another 10 minutes. Now take the chicken thighs out of the soup and shred them into fibers. Gently drop the matzo balls into the soup. Season with salt too and add the chopped parsley. Carefully pour it into a bowl and it's ready to serve. Enjoy your delicious matzo ball soup and thank you for cooking with us today.